I feel no pain. I'll stand beside you each step of the way. I'll see you through. There's work left to do, so no more lives will be lost in vain. I'll stand in the rain. I'll take my place, though you can't see my face. You can't see my eyes, the tears I've cried. You can't feel my heart, but I'll do my part to bring awareness from out of the dark. I'll do my part. I'll stand in the rain, I'll stand in the snow. I'll carry my message wherever I go, to bring peace and healing, to help the world change. I'll stand in the rain. I'll stand in the rain. I'll weather each storm in hope that compassion will one day be the norm. My voice may be gone, my spirit is strong. I'll stand in the rain. Don't turn away, don't close your eyes, my friends. It's time to realize there's lots to do. Reach out your hand, we'll heal the pain across this land. Together we'll stand. We'll stand in the rain, we'll stand in the snow. We'll carry our message so people will know. Our voices are gone, but our spirits live on. We'll stand in the rain. We'll stand in the rain. We'll weather each storm in hope that compassion will one day be the norm. Our voices are silent, our spirits remain. We'll stand in the rain. If we all work together, we'll see a new day. We'll stand in the rain. Our voices are gone, but our spirits live on. We'll stand in the rain.